Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to repot curcuma, turmeric or curcuma longa. And I'm outside, but this plant was kept inside in the room because it's a tropical plant. It needs at least 17 degrees Celsius for winter. So I just came out to make the repotting. And because it's a tropical plant, it needs at least 9 to 10 months of growing season. So I'm just repotting it now, see how it grew this year, and then I will return the plants in the pots inside, because obviously it's freezing outside. You can see that we have some snow, so it's too cold for a curcuma. Yeah, and this is the old pot. So what I did last year, I just brought it inside in the south-facing window, and unfortunately YouTube is not fragrant, so you cannot smell the nice fragrance of the roots, rhizomes, because turmeric has a very nice gingery smell. So I cut down the leaves when they were dead, and I left them inside the pot, so I see that there's something in the pot. Otherwise I would throw it out, because I have like loads of pots. And yeah, it's more or less clean. And I had it in a 7-liter pot, but I had to replant it in a 25-liter pot because it was growing so well and it needed a lot of moisture in the summer. So the core I used is totally dry and the roots are already died down. And I'm just... So this was the old rhizome. It's shriveled up. And here we have the new one, which I broke. So unfortunate, but this happens. Oh, this is bad. And I will reuse this core for another plant, but not this one, because I would like to do something similar as crop rotation in agriculture. So I will rotate this soil. It will go to another plant which is not related to ginger family, and so I will reuse the potting substrate. I had to work quickly because I don't want the rhizomes to freeze. So you can see here are the new rhizomes, and I will plant it separately for my cousin, because he likes exotic species. And you can see the really nice orange color of the rhizome, and it grows like a ginger wood. really good harvest this year. And here was the old rhizome. I will keep this in the center. Hopefully it will flower for me. And I change it to a bigger one. And I just put it up here. I'm very happy that I can come out and do some work in the garden, because I don't like sitting in one place. It's not for me. One, two, three, 4, 5 should be enough for one pot. And what do I do with the rest of the rhizomes? I have no idea. Maybe I should give some away. No! Well, I will replant this one too. So this much I still have left. This one is going to go for my cousin, and this will stay with me. And I will just bury them with fresh potting mix. And put them back to room temperature in a very light window. Okay, so a good turmeric harvest from the crop of 2024. I hope some will flower for me, because I never seen a turmeric flower. I see other curcuma flowering, but not turmeric, not curcuma longa. So, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.